Hi, welcome to Meistergram. My name is Rolling. Today I'll be showing you how to start and change your run speed. Once you have selected your design from your memory and set it to embroidery, it's going to be blank on your screen. To enter the EMB mode, we're going to select the small icon and confirm the embroidery. This will make your design pop up and ready for it to be started. By confirming the embroidery, we are letting the machine know that we have selected all the colors and sequence necessary, so now we are ready to start. Press the start button and this will make your machine sew. Our Meistergram embroidery machine always show the run speed on the screen. On the screen, once you start, you will see the run speed increase. You can increase and decrease with the arrows on both sides. Thank you for watching our videos. If this video helped, please subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos like this.